Hello everyone, I'm Céline MacArthur, your official Slopeside storyteller. Here at Bretton Woods, it's the dedication and passion of our people that truly makes this place special. And we're committed to shaping the next generation of talent by offering real-world experiences. This is Holden Briant, a senior at Vermont State University. His ultimate career goal is to run a resort like Bretton Woods.
It's going to be very hard work, but I'm determined. I'm just going to put my head down and take every opportunity that's given to me.
Holden's here listening and learning from the people who make this mountain magic as part of his mountain resort management program.
I'm really interested in the behind-the-scenes aspect of making the guest experience and doing everything possible for the guest.
This morning, Holden's shadowing Brad Shedd, a 20-year veteran of Bretton Woods' award-winning grooming team. Brad's mastered the art of trail maintenance and terrain park design. For Brad, the success of a mountain resort is built on its culture and the strength of its team.
Our employees are number one because without them, we wouldn't be doing any of this. Without patrol, snowmaking, lift operators, right into the folks at the food court, it's all part of the experience. And, well, it's quite a team. It's not always the giant corporate ski areas that are doing the best.
Holden's learning that collaboration is key to Bretton Woods' success.
Brad's awesome. Stoked to be able to spend some time in a groomer with him this morning, and he's just been picking my brain. I've been picking his brain.
We're talking about all the different types of mountain operations, different techniques in grooming, and giving him some inside scoop on just how the management and operations goes at a ski area like Bretton Woods.
Holden's excited about what's ahead for the mountain resort industry.
There's so much opportunity in the ski area that people don't really realize, like summer operations, different winter operations, and just being able to extend the season and give everybody the ultimate guest experience, which is what we're after.
Yeah. As we get older in the industry, we're always looking for the young folk who want to be part of the team, who want to do a good job, and we find them a lot coming out of the Vermont State University.
Well, wherever you're coming from, you can check out our employment opportunities at omnihotels.com, and hopefully we'll see you here.